On this page, we're going to put it all together. We have the definition of a solution. We also know how to check when comparison statements are true and when comparison statements are also not true. So let's find out how we can use these skills to check solutions. A solution is a value that replaces the variable to make the equation or inequality true. So here is an example. 2x plus 5 equals 7. And let's check somebody's work that they say x equals 1. If x equals 1 is the solution, then that means that we can replace the variable with 1 and that should make this equation true. So let's check. Well, we had the coefficient 2 times x, so now we have 2 times 1, which is equal to 2, and 2 plus 5 equals 7. So 7 equals 7 is true. So that confirms, or that checks, that x equals 1 is a solution to this equation because the comparison is true after substituting and evaluating. Let's check the next one. We have here 2x plus 5 again as our first expression, but now we're saying that this is going to be less than 7. And we want to check if x equals 2 would be a solution. Well, we see here they substitute 2. 2 times 2 equals 4, and 4 plus 5 equals 9. And our final comparison statement is that 9 is less than 7. And we just practiced calling this not true. 9 is not a lower value than 7. So here's what we would say. We have checked, and we now confirm that x equals 2 is not a solution to this inequality because the comparison is not true. Let's check for understanding. Complete the explanation below. Take a look at the work here. We have 2x plus 5 is less than 7. We have another value that we're checking for this same inequality. 2x plus 5 is less than 7. We're checking now, what about x equals 0? Is this a solution? We see what happens after they substituted and got to their final comparison. Use this final comparison to make your judgment and use the sentence frame. X equals 0 is or is not a solution to the inequality because x equals 0 is a solution to the inequality because the comparison 5 is less than 7 is true.